Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to reset game progress in Township. Alright, so whether you're looking to redesign your layout or embark on a new adventure, this guide will help you reset your progress in Township. So first, you have to understand the reset process. Before we dive in, it's important to note no in-game reset option. So Township doesn't offer a direct reset button within the game. Number two, you can use the official method. So to reset your progress, you will need to request a complete data deletion through Play Rix's customer support. Then you have the irreversible action. Once your data is deleted, it cannot be restored. Ensure you're ready to start anew before proceeding. So for iOS and Android users, of course, launch Township and tap on the three horizontal lines and take to the gear icon in the top left corner to access the settings menu. Then over here, click on help and support to open the support section. So you're gonna have to select any article. Okay, show about those dimension shifts. Just select an article from the list, then scroll to the bottom. Let's say update hot topics. No. Popular articles. What's new and Regatta. So scroll down, and where it says was this article helpful, can you just click on no. Then click on this chat with us button to open the message window. Now in the message window, go ahead and type your request to have your personal data and game progress deleted. Then submit the request and follow any additional prompts or questions to confirm your identity. A game support agent will contact you to confirm the deletion, and once confirmed, your game data will be permanently removed, allowing you to start afresh. Then that's just pretty much how it works. So you can go by tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.